What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. Today I'm just showing you how to replace your blades on a Chevy Silverado. So you're gonna need two of these. These are what I used. Not too expensive. I got them at Walmart for $10 each. So I'm gonna just show you really quick what to do here. So this is a new blade. I actually just swapped it out. Didn't think of making a video when I was swapping it out, so I'll do one now. So what you're gonna do is there's two little tabs. You're gonna squeeze those and it just pulls off. So here's what it looks like. These were the two tabs that I squeezed, and that's where, right here is where it hooks in. So if we go to put it in, we're just gonna hook it. Oh, let me just start over, sorry. So when we go to put it in, gonna hook the top like that. And then as you can see, it won't push in. So then you squeeze the sides and then it'll click. Oh, didn't squeeze them enough. Squeeze them and push. And then it should just click like that. Oh. Well, that's how it goes on, but again, it's difficult when you have one hand, so slide it on, push it in. There you go. So that's how you put on the blades. Super simple, super easy. Like I said, it's difficult if you're using one hand. And then again, to get them off, you're gonna want to push in these two clips on both sides, and then it just slides off. So yeah, if you were ever wondering how to get your windshield wipers off on a 2012 Chevy Silverado, this is the 1500. That's how you do it. So yeah, I'm gonna do this next one if I can reach it. Might have to go to the other side, but yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them at the bottom. Thank you for watching 303 Streets. Like, subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you.